Prime Minister Narendra Modi launching the Skill India campaign on the occasion of World Youth Skills Day, saying India should become a global human resources hub. The government wants 40 crore people trained in various skills by the year 2022. Calling his Skill India program a war against poverty, the Prime Minister said it would be won by his army of the poor.
अगर आज दुनिया में चीन ने अपनी ये पहचान बनाई है कि चीन की एक पहचान बन गई है कि जैसे वो दुनिया की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैक्ट्री बन गया है। अगर चीन की पहचान दुनिया की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैक्ट्री की है तो हिंदुस्तान की पहचान दुनिया की रिक्वायर्ड ह्यूमन रिसोर्स का कैपिटल बनने की बन सकती है। बेरोजगारी का कोई कारण नहीं है अगर हम रोजगार को ध्यान में रखते हुए, विकास के मॉडल को ध्यान में रखते हुए ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट की डिजाइन तैयार।
The government plans to rope in private sector to set up facilities and train 24 lakh workers over the next year, from plumbing, electrical works to beauty therapy. The idea is to impart skills that make people employable. The government will also provide finance, including loans between 5,000 to 1,50,000 rupees, and special camps will be held where people can sign up. Like the Make in India campaign, this too was a high-profile launch, with over 18 ministers and chief ministers attending. And it was beamed live across more than 10,000 industrial training institutes or ITIs.
Just by creating the ministry, just by creating the focus, just by creating this kind of commitment and going on and financing it, I think has a big hope.
This message has a shelf life, and we need to convert that into reality very quickly.
The Congress says it's a relaunch of their programs.
Prime Minister is relaunching one more UPA scheme, National Skills Development Mission, and I'm sure Shri Modi knows, was launched for the first time in August 2010.
Initiatives have started in the last few years, and to convert this now in a mass activity, we have to outline the vision.
While the government has set an ambitious target of training more than 40 crore people by the end of 2020, today's launch by the Prime Minister definitely has added some impetus to the campaign. But its entire survivability and success will depend on how successfully the government can rope in the private sector. With Saurabh Gupta in Mumbai and Sandeep Phukan in Delhi, in New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.